Alright, I got a 70 Roadrunner. I'm having some blinker issues. Currently have the hazards on right now. I got the column all tore apart here. On each one of these little terminals I have, let's see, I have power, except for the white one, and which I read was the brakes, and I press on the brakes, I have power. But every one of these is flashing, even the blinkers. So I'm getting power to these wires here I've temporarily wired up. So now I go ahead and shut the flashers off and turn a turn signal on. I got nothing. Both directions, I got nothing. Not on the tester, either wire. Nothing other than the pink continuous hot up here. The pink one that goes to the fuse box. So that's where I'm at. I put in, as you can see, a new turn single cancel cam. Any help would be appreciated. Thanks.